Hey folks, welcome back to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. It's coming to the time of year where we might be looking for a few gifts out there. We also might be doing some mud riding. We know it can't be avoided in the winter. So on today's Fresh Produce, I'd like to talk to you about a few ideas that may be gift ideas, maybe just good for cleaning your bikes. We've got Muc-Off. Now don't forget, if you watched our videos before, you know that we talk about a ton of new products that come through our warehouse, give some things a deep dive. We had a really great interview with the founder of Bike Yoke recently, so check all that out. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our future videos. But today, let's get back to Muc-Off and some cool ideas for gifts and for sprucing up your ride after that muddy bike ride out there. Okay, so if you want to do a little bit of a joke gift, but pretty useful stuff, we've got gloves with scrubbers on those. They're scrubber gloves from Muc-Off. It's got to be pink since it's Muc-Off. So those can be fun sticking out of someone's stocking, I think. But we've also got, Clean and Protect Bike Wash Duo, something everybody needs. You got to clean that bike to keep it lasting a long time. Make sure you can find any damage that comes up and keep it running smooth. Of course, also the premium brush kit for that avid rider that has everything. They probably don't have all the brushes in this kit, so really dial out in the workspace and make sure you can get into all the nooks and crannies on your bike. Speaking of, for that special someone, this is a bit of a bigger kit here, but a pretty cool bike-specific pressure washer that Muc-Off came up with. This happens to be a bundle. It includes some concentrated bike wash and a bunch of other liquids and lubricants inside, as well as this pressure washer in a big waterproof bag. It can fit in your trunk. It can just disappear under your workbench in the garage. Super cool thing to keep that bike running smooth, and it is made to be used on bike, so it's not going to be dangerous or damaging for bearings or seals and things like that. All right, Muc-Off has a ton of other products, both cleaning products and also parts for your bike like valves, things like that. So check out the full line. We think it's really cool stuff. They also have some really neat initiatives going on recently about cleaning up your trails. So jump in on that if you're interested and want to keep your trails looking as good as your bike after using their products. All right, hope you enjoyed watching today. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below any future videos you'd like to see, gift ideas that you think are extra special. All right, keep riding through the winter. We'll see you soon.